Neha, I hope you started watching the videos, old videos.
Yes, Sohail, I started watching. Um, so it is kind of confusing for me as of now what you're teaching.
Current sessions or old videos?
No, the current sessions.
Yes, current session I understand because have not you are not a part of this VNet and subnet and NSG when we discussed. So that is bound to happen.
Yes, yes.
Any difficulties on the videos which you have been watching?
I've just watched the two videos, the session one and the session two. I've completed these two sessions, but today, while you were asking to, sorry, it was on the previous video. So you had asked to check an IP address on the browser, the 52.152.217 and 15.
Mm-hmm.
So when I tried that, I was unable to load that page. I was about to ask you after this session.
Okay.
So I'm not sure what went wrong and why I couldn't load that page.
Okay, we'll see that. You can ask any questions. You can put the questions in group as well. Anyone will answer, or I can also answer. Fine. Let's just wait for some other people and then we'll start.
Yes, yes, sure. Thank you.
Amit, did you already purchase a subscription?
No, I didn't. क्यों कुछ हुआ क्या?
No, I'm asking. Henty's subscription has been expired, so I was thinking if one of you could purchase a subscription, तो जिसमें हम सबका फिर divide कर लेते हैं.
Okay, sure.
So don't purchase it now. Let me check if someone has already purchased, because when you guys purchase it, you get it 14,500 rupees. That's only for 30 days. और कोई एक उसको utilize नहीं कर पाता है पूरा. So we should at least get 3 to 4 members. So we have Henty. I'll see 2 or 3 more members. Once we have 3-4 people,
जो पहले से directory है.
Sorry.
We still have members who are not active, right? जिनका resource group है. अगर उसे delete करके फिर से नहीं add कर सकते कोई नया?
नहीं, we don't have to delete. We can simply add a new one. But
okay.
If I add
limit,
हाँ नहीं, limit पैसों का है वहाँ पर. Resource group का limitation नहीं है. We have 6,500 rupees. So if we add all of them in my subscription, you guys will not have enough money to practice.
Okay.
So when you guys take it, you guys get it 14,500. This 7,000 which I get as a trainer, this is monthly basis. ये हर month पे ये होता है, renew होता है. You guys get 14,500, but that is only for 30 days. Once it is only one time offer and you get it only for 30 days. So utilize भी नहीं हो पाता है पूरा. So इसलिए वहां पर हम 2 या 4 यूजर्स को एक साथ क्लब करते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट यू विल यूटिलाइज दैट बैलेंस. अगर आप अभी हेंटी का भी देखो तो आई थिंक ही also could not use complete 14,500. Sonam could not use. Sonam was there in our training. Then I think Yogesh bhai, did you also create one subscription initially?
No.
You haven't done it, right? So now Amit, we have Yogesh bhai have. ठीक है, I'll let you know Amit जब purchase करना होगा. Purchase मतलब कुछ करना नहीं होता उसमें, आपको बस subscribe करना है. It's free. 2 rupees will be charged और वो भी reimburse हो जाते हैं. और पे एज यू गेम में अपने आप वो कन्वर्ट होता नहीं unless you do it manually and no one else on behalf of you can do it. So I think we have sufficient quorum. Let's start, guys. So this is the requirement what I have. Now I have a VNet, a single subnet, a prod subnet. I have 1,000 machines. One NSG I have applied NSG network security group named A. Default rules are there. I'm able to access internet. But now my requirement is that under this subnet, 1,000 machines are there. So out of those 1000 machines, 500 they should not be able to access internet, and 500 should have internet access. So how can you achieve this? Yes, guys, what solutions do you have? Guys, today we'll finish with this topic because I see very less quorum. So जैसे ही ASG होता है, today we'll finish. We'll not start any new topic other than this. So what do you think we can use for this one? Yes, guys, try at least. Wrong, correct, incorrect, that is fine.
We cannot because the options which we have is like IP use कर सकते हैं, पर how to divide it in 50-50?
NSG से तो नहीं होगा. NSG, after modifying NSG, it won't help.
Okay, let's not waste time. So here ASG comes to picture. Application security group. Let's read the theory about ASG and we'll do the practical. Not literally practical, यहीं पर समझा रहा हूं मैं. And if you guys still want to understand, एक practical करके देखेंगे और you guys can do it at your own. थोड़ा सा भी हम लोग speed बढ़ाएंगे guys, because I have been मैं खुद भी इंटरव्यूज ले रहा हूँ और दूसरे इंटरव्यूज भी मैं देखता हूँ. सो few companies they have already started calling people for offline interviews. So I want to finish the course before that. So at least you guys will be able to give interviews online. Online में बहुत ज्यादा help हो सकती है. There are plenty of ways. Nervousness कम होता है बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब it is easier compared to offline. थोड़ा सा easy होता है. So like we have been doing, and I think as of now till now you guys have a good understanding. इनिशियल स्टेज में मैंने हर चीज का प्रैक्टिकल करके बताया आप लोगों को, राइट? अगर एक चीज में 4 वेरिएशन थे तो हमने चारों वेरिएशन भी करके देखे हैं. बट नाउ वी आर मूविंग अ बिट फास्ट. तो कोई चीज है वेयर आई थिंक के इसकी प्रैक्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है. यू गाइस विल अंडरस्टैंड और यू गाइस कैन डू इट एट योर ओन, ताकि आपकी भी पोर्टल की प्रैक्टिस हो. तो उसका प्रैक्टिकल मैं नहीं करने वाला हूँ. सो बाय दिस वे वी कैन गो अ लिटिल बिट फास्टर to what we have been doing. We have started in April, now it is June. We haven't even covered our 30%. इस तरह से जाओगे तो आप पिछला भूलते जाओगे, राइट? एंड हैविंग सेड दैट, इफ यू गाइस स्टिल फाइंड कि नहीं ये डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक है एंड यू think a practical is required, do let me know. I am happy to do that. But just to save your time, और वो offline शुरू होने से पहले, I'm planning to finish this and at least you guys can start with the interviews and we can start with the इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन वाला जो सेशन है इसका, जो वो सेक्शन है. आई वांट टू स्टार्ट दैट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. So let's talk about ASG. We are not going to do a practical on portal. You guys can do it. It is very easy, very simple. 2-4 steps तो वैसे भी पोर्टल में भी हो ही जाएंगे. आपको बस मशीन से जोड़ना वगैरह है, which you have been doing. Try doing that. If that doesn't work, let me know. I'll do the practical in next session. So let's talk about ASG. Now, what is ASG? It is application security group. It enables to group together servers with similar functions. Example, web servers. Example, RDP. Now, this is just an example where I am saying कि इसमें मुझको internet नहीं चाहिए. I could have said कि मुझको 500 servers पे RDP चाहिए, 500 पे नहीं चाहिए. Okay, it could be anything. So it is not only limited to internet. That is what it is saying. That it helps you to group together those servers with the similar functions. Like web servers हो सकते हैं, RDP servers हो सकते हैं. You can reuse your security policy at scale without manual maintain or explicit IP address. Ibrahim bhai has joined very late. That's okay if you don't even remember this word. इतना sentence नहीं भी याद रखते हो. ये sentence most important है theory में जब answer कर रहे हो. ठीक है? You cannot create a security rule or policy here. Where can you create a security rule? Security rules कहां पर बनाते हैं हम?
NSG.
NSG. On ASG you cannot create. On NSG you can create ASG. I'm not sure guys why it is like this, but ये जो है मेरे अपने हाथों से नहीं लिखे है, ये मैंने simply copy paste किया Microsoft की साइट से. And this is one of the frequently asked question, that what is the difference between NSG and ASG. Why I don't understand this is because ASG जो है एक NSG का part है, but still theoretical में वो उसको divide करके अलग अलग पूछते हैं. तो जैसा यहाँ पर लिखा है आपको वही बोलना है, राइट? सो वो आप बाद में समझ लो क्यों ऐसा है, कैसा क्यों ऐसा दिया हुआ है. आई डोंट नो दैट, बट विल हैव टू फॉलो दिस. Application security group, now when we go to portal you will see it is merely a function, a part of NSG. Still उसको comparison में पूछा जाता है. Maybe they sound similar इसलिए, I don't know why. So you cannot create a security rule or policy here. ये comparison ही बता रहा है इसका, that NSG में आप security rule और policy बना सकते हो, ASG में नहीं बना सकते हो. ठीक है. One NIC can have multiple application security groups. Can one NIC have multiple network security groups? Can one NIC have multiple NSGs?
No, only one.
But application security group, a NIC can have multiple application security groups. ये नहीं भी समझ में आ रहा है guys, तो इसको रट लेना. The moment someone is asking you difference between NSG and ASG, आप इतना पढ़ लो, उसके आगे वो पूछेगा भी नहीं कि भाई do you even understand that, what does it mean? He will be satisfied with the answer and you will be done with that question. Okay? वैसे नहीं समझने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. When we go to portal you will understand this. तो by the way इसका क्या मतलब हुआ, that you can, one NIC can have multiple application security groups is you can have web servers or RDP. Let's say that if I have created two application security groups, one is web server and one is RDP. So your NIC can be a part of both groups. जैसा भी यहाँ पर मैं बता रहा था कि यहाँ पर I want no internet on this one. तो ये 500 सर्वर नो इंटरनेट वाले ग्रुप का भी हिस्सा हो सकता है, और साइमल्टेनियसली उसमें से जो है वो नो आरडीपी वाले का हिस्सा भी हो सकता है. या ये 500 सर्वर्स में 500 पूरे के पूरे नो इंटरनेट, और इसमें से 250 नो आरडीपी, ये वाला भी सिनेरियो हो सकता है. आर यू गाइस गेटिंग इट? लाइक सबनेट, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सबनेट में कैसा है, पूरा का पूरा सबनेट जो है, पूरा का पूरा सबनेट एक नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप का हिस्सा हो सकता है. यू कैन नॉट हैव अनदर नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप. But when it comes to application security group, you can divide it. You can divide it with multiple application security groups. One NIC can be a part of two groups. Is it clear, guys? Yes, guys. Is it clear? Any confusion? Anyone who's not getting anything? Okay, you can specify only one application security group as the source and as the destination security rule. ये practical करते वक्त मैं बता दूंगा. Simple sentence है एकदम, that you can specify only one security group, one application security group as the source and the destination in security rule. So we'll see that ये क्या बोल रहा है. You cannot add NIC from a different VNet to the same application security group. Did you guys understand these sentence? Last sentence. चलो second last two मैं explain कर रहा हूँ. Who can explain the last sentence to me?
It is limited to that VNet only.
Right. So if I create one application security group in Amit's VNet, even if it is in East US, okay, that VNet, it is in East US, but it is under Amit VNet, and I have my virtual machine under Tsoft VNet, both of them in same region, but different VNets. So I cannot use that application security group on my virtual net, on my virtual machine. Can we associate this application security group on a subnet level? Yes, guys. Can we associate an application security group to a subnet level? Can we associate an NSG to a subnet level?
Yes, for NSG it's possible.
Yes, application security group, it is not possible. ASG is being applied only on NIC. So let's go to portal and see quickly that how can you create an ASG. थोड़ा sync होने में time लगता है, hence what I have done, I have already created one NSG. I'll show it to you guys और एक बनाकर भी बताऊंगा, but we will not be able to use that. जो अभी मैं बना रहा हूँ उसको हम use नहीं कर पाएंगे. See, this is what I was saying, that if I have one application security group under Amit's VNet, I'm not talking about the resource group. Okay, here I'm talking about the VNet. Let me see, यहाँ पर VNet को लेकर आ सकता हूँ कि मैं. Okay, let's not waste time on that. But I hope you understand that. Just I'm showing this to you, but I'm not talking about the resource group. Okay, this test ASG, it is in VNet. It is in a different VNet, and this one it is in a different VNet. So I will not be able to use them. Okay. Now talking about this, okay, if I create this one, a new one, I will not be able to use it immediately. Servers it's saying so. Guess works on only NIC. Yes, only on NIC. Right. So if I create an application security group right away, I will not be able to use it because it takes time to sync. But still, I'll create one. But while using, इस वाले से बताऊंगा मैं practical आपको. Because I do not have any virtual machine here to show you the practical, and I have a virtual machine here with this VNet, and the one which I'm going to create now, utne jaldi sync hoga nahi. So you can search for application security group. I hope all of you saw that from where did I come here. You can search here application security group. Once you see that, click on create, select your subscription. Name it. I'm naming it new application security group. I've selected region as East US. It's almost done. It will be, it won't take much time to deploy. Deployment fast हो जाएगा, but वहां पर appear होने में time लगता है. Okay, so we'll wait जब तक ये deploy हो रहा है, and then we'll see कि इसको आप affiliate कैसे करते हो किसी virtual machine से. Takes approximately 3 to 4 hours to sync. Hey, it's ready. और कई बार जल्दी भी हो जाता है, उसका कोई set rule है नहीं. So now if I see, this is the NSG I have. Okay, can I create some rule? ASG में कोई rule create कर पाता हूँ क्या मैं कि इसमें internet access नहीं होना चाहिए? Do I have that feasibility?
No.
No, right? We read that already. तो अगर मुझको rules create करना भी है कोई, now let's say this subnet we are talking about. Under this subnet, I have to create a rule that 500 VMs should not have internet, right? 500 VMs should not have internet. तो पहले तो मैं इस subnet पे जाऊंगा. I'll go to this subnet, right? So I'm going to this subnet. I do not have exact वो नाम का subnet नहीं है, but we'll take any sorry, network security group, guys. This subnet, and I'll go to this network security group. I do not have this subnet exactly, and I do not have this network security group. But understand that we'll go to one of the network security groups. यहाँ पर मैं जाता हूँ. Rule क्या create करूंगा मैं? Let's say first I want to block inbound internet traffic और outbound traffic block करना है. So rule I will be creating. Source क्या होगा मेरा? Now looking at this, what do you think the source would be? Within one subnet, 500 machines को मुझको block करना है. And we are using, which method are we using?
Application security group.
Yes, so ASG I'm selecting here. So now the source is ASG. Now which ASG? कौन सा security group? Okay, I've got it. Okay, नया वाला भी आ गया, but चलो let's use new one. So I'm using new one, new ASG. Can I use two and ASG? Can I have multiple ASG?
Yes, it's possible.
Yes. So let me see if I can rename them quickly. थोड़ा better understanding हो जाएगी आप लोगों की. I named them थोड़ा सा abrupt नाम दे दिया मैंने उसको. Let me see if renaming is possible. I don't see any rename option. But guys understand or just imagine that ये जो हम AZ Terraform है, let's say this is for internet and new NSG this is for RDP. अगर हम इसको ऐसा नाम देते हैं, otherwise I'll try to repeat this tomorrow. वैसे भी आज लोग काफी कम है, एक और better understanding हो जाएगी आपकी. ठीक है, so these are two groups. Have I configured any rule by the way on those two groups? यहाँ पर अगर मैंने ऐसा लिख भी देता, मैं यहाँ पर no RDP or no internet, does it mean that I have created any rules on them? Yes guys, can we create any rules on them? So where can I create the rule? If not there, rules बना कहाँ सकता हूँ मैं? Yes guys, please feel free to unmute yourself and answer. Background noise
And-
चल जाएगा, but if you're not answering, I'm not able to understand whether you're getting it or not.
I think NSG is the only option which we have, I think, from where we can create rules.
Right.
So
So we
within
will create and yes, we'll create a rule on NSG. Let me quickly create these two ASG application security group. मैं check कर लेता हूँ कि एक और बन रहा है कि और अगर वो sync हो जाते हैं, so better understanding आएगी just by looking at the name. सिर्फ नाम से ही आप लोगों को एक understanding काफी clear हो जाएगी. Even if that doesn't work now, tomorrow I'll repeat it. Okay, so here I have created two more application security groups. One says no RDP, one says no internet. यहाँ पर बनने दो उसको and then we'll search if it is available. So I'll come to that network security group. कौन सा network security group पे जिसका ये पूरा 1000 machines जिसका हिस्सा है. I'm going to that network security group. This is the network security group. I'll go first. I'm blocking the outbound traffic of internet. अब कौन से machines चाहिए मुझको? I'm dividing them based on application security group. कौन सा application security group? Let's say no internet वाला जो application security group था वो, and यहाँ पर this one AZ Terraform. Otherwise यहाँ पर no ये लेना था मुझको no RDP, but वो appear नहीं हो रहा है अभी, तो that is fine. Or I can quickly refresh it once and check. But are you guys getting it? That what are we selecting and based on what we are selecting this?
Yes.
So source is application security group. Which application security group? Let it appear here. Source port क्या है यहाँ पर? अगर मुझको सिर्फ let's say RDP block करना है as of now, तो I'll say 3389. Okay, no RDP. Yeah, 3389. Now what is the destination? Destination क्या है? दूसरे इसमें भी अगर कहीं पर मुझको ये करना, आउटबाउंड में है हम लोग, सपोज लेट्स से वी आर ब्लॉकिंग इंटरनेट. अगर हम इंटरनेट ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा डेस्टिनेशन हमारा? Yes, let's say I'll keep it simpler. Any source I want to block. What would be the destination? I'm blocking internet here. So what should I select here?
Service tag.
Yes,
Service
and
tag.
service tag में internet. Service tag में बहुत लंबा चौड़ा ऑप्शन है. You can go through this. Okay. Service tag में internet. यहाँ पर again star. Any deny प्रायोरिटी जो भी लेसर होगा वो हम दे देंगे। इंटरनेट ब्लॉक, किसी भी तरह का नाम जो डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन कर सके आपको, उस तरह का नाम यू विल गिव। ओके, you will add the rule. Is it done? Do you think it is going to work, or do you think we have missed something? Now, just because I have added a rule here, कि ASG, will this rule know which machines to be blocked? वो कहाँ पर हमने कॉन्फ़िगर किया अब तक?
So do we need to go onto each machine and apply it on a NIC card?
Yes, that is a limitation or a catch or a drawback you can say, but this is the only option you have. By the way, live environment में you do not literally go to each machine. तब आपके काम में आता है PowerShell, तब आपके काम में आता है automation. You will not literally go to a machine, but yes, backend में एक machine पे जाके ही आप लोग कर रहे हो. So how it works that you'll go to those machines जिस पे आपको लगाना है, जिन machines पे आपको वो दोनों rule लगाने हैं, you'll go to that machine. इसके machine कौन से NSG से कहाँ पर देख सकता हूँ मैं? इस machine का NSG कहाँ से देख सकता हूँ?
Under networking.
Networking.
Now under networking, do you see an option called application security group? Inbound rules we have, outbound rules we have. See, what does it say? Internet block. मतलब ये वाला इस पे apply हो रहा है. ये रूल जो है इस NSG पे अप्लाई हो रहा है, बट इस रूल में जो मशीन्स आती है, ये मशीन उसका पार्ट अभी तक नहीं है. सो वेयर कैन आई कॉन्फ़िगर दैट? ऑन एप्लीकेशन सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप. कॉन्फ़िगर द एप्लीकेशन सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप. हियर आई विल कम and I'll select no internet, and I can select 2 of them and select save, and that's it. Now this machine is a part of those 2 groups. अब जो भी रूल आप उन 2 ग्रुप्स को लेकर बनाओगे, ये मशीन बाय डिफॉल्ट उसमें कवर हो जाएगी. So these are the tags, these are the security groups. और यहाँ पर ये बोल रहा है कि इसमें इंटरनेट नहीं होना चाहिए. किसमें नहीं होना चाहिए? जो भी नो RDP और जो 2 इसके ये हमने सेलेक्ट किए हैं, नो RDP and this ASG. So this machine, it is a part of both of them. तो ये दोनों भी रूल्स इस पे अप्लाई हो जाएंगे. Same you can do with the inbound rules as well. You can go to that NSG, और यहाँ पर inbound में भी आप आकर यहाँ पर ऐसे कर सकते हो कि किसी भी तरह का रूल, source any, destination is your application security group. The moment you select these 2, इसका मतलब है कि वो मशीन या जितने भी मशीन जो इन टैग से affiliated है, उसमें ये ब्लॉक हो जाएगा. whatever you want to block, यहाँ से जो भी आप ब्लॉक कर रहे हो. जैसे you want to block traffic from internet, outgoing और इनकमिंग दोनों बंद करना था आपको इंटरनेट से. आउटगोइंग क्या होता है? I am using Google, that is outgoing. इनकमिंग क्या होता है? You are using my Tsoft वाला वेबसाइट, that is incoming internet traffic. So I want to block everything incoming and outgoing. इस तरह से मैं यहाँ पर आके डिनाई करके ये कर सकता हूँ. And because these machines are part of these application security group, तो जितने मशीन उस पे ये है वही impacted हो गए. So using this method you can achieve this. And yes, you correctly said it, will have to do this on all individual machines, but you don't have to do that manually. यहाँ पर आपके जो है आर्किटेक्ट्स आपको हमेशा एक स्क्रिप्ट देते हैं. यू विल हैव टू सिंपली रन दैट स्क्रिप्ट, और वो 500 मशीन पे तो एक साथ नहीं लगाते, बट एक चंक बनाते हैं कि 50 मशीन्स एक साथ ये करके पूरे 500 मशीन्स को कवर कर लेते हैं. योर जॉब विल बी जस्ट टू रन दैट स्क्रिप्ट, और उसके बाद 1-2 मशीन को रैंडमली चेक कर लेना होता है. बट हाउ इट वर्क्स, नॉर्मली ऐसा होता भी नहीं है. मीन कोई भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आप लोगों को नहीं मिलेगा कि जहां पर 500 इतने 1000 मशीन्स बनने के बाद किसी को रियलाइज हुआ हो कि इस पे इंटरनेट नहीं चाहिए. ये रियलाइजेशन इनिशियल 2 या 4 मशीन में ही आ जाता है. और उसके बाद व्हाट विल यू डू व्हाइल क्रिएटिंग अ मशीन? यू विल ऑलवेज मेक श्योर द मोमेंट यू क्रिएट अ न्यू मशीन, इसको अ जार्गन और अ वर्ड इज कॉल्ड सर्वर हार्डनिंग. उसकी स्पेलिंग मैं भेज दूंगा, सर्वर हार्डनिंग. Okay, so if an interviewer is asking that do you do server hardening, you would say yes. Server hardening का मतलब क्या होता है कि ये जो सारे rules है, NSG कौन सा लगाना है, इस पे ASG कौन सा लगेगा, कौन से पोर्ट्स ब्लॉक हो गए, फायरवॉल बंद करना है, मतलब एक पूरा सर्वर बनने के बाद जो उसके बेसिक सब टास्क करते हो ना आप अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के हिसाब से, that is called server hardening. So if anyone is asking you कि आप लोग server hardening करते हो, you can say yes. कोई example मांगता है, this is the best example you can give. That I remember that I was dealing with these 10 machines और ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, and then they wanted to block 50. They wanted to block internet on 50 virtual machines, but they were adamant on having only one NSG. Then हम लोगों ने एक ASG बनाया था architect team, and then we deployed that, and post that उसको मैंने SOP में add कर लिया कि next time जब भी कोई machine बनेगी इस वाले block में या इस client के लिए इस section में machine बनेगी, so that machine should be a part of this ASG automatically. तो ये by default उस पे apply हो जाएगा. So this is what you can say. So is it clear, guys, the technical part of ASG? Anyone has any question? Sorry. Yes, guys, any doubt, any question, anyone? We have 8 minutes, please ask. Bring
तो ये
myself
जब
on mute.
पॉलिसीज बनाते हैं तो वो टैग बेस्ड रहता है क्या? Like this machine which has this tag will go into this ASG assigned to this.
Policy कुछ भी हो सकता है, tag based हो सकता है, subnet based हो सकता है, vnet based हो सकता है, वो जो policy
अच्छा,
बना रहा है
okay.
उस पे yes, but tag बहुत ज्यादा काम की चीज है. We don't have the brace today, right? Otherwise he would have told you now. He has recently joined from Compicom. He has recently joined IBM, and his first project he has got some machines जिस पे patching का कोई काम कर रहे हैं वो लोग, और patching में they want to segregate those machines, और thousands machine है, number जो इनका thousands में है, तो वहां पर tagging नहीं है properly, तो it has become a difficult situation for them. So now before dealing the actual task, they have started tagging those machines ताकि tag कर पाए कि ये prod machines है, ये टेस्ट मशीन्स है, ये विंडोज मशीन है, ये 2022 मशीन्स है, तो इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी टू डू द मैनेजमेंट के उसके बाद आपको किस मशीन को कहाँ पर ये करना है. बिलिंग भी आपको अगर सर्च करना हो ना, देन इट्स आल्सो इट बिकम्स इजियर कि यार ये मेरे पुणे ऑफिस के मशीन्स है, इसका मुझको कितना बिलिंग आ रहा है, पुणे ऑफिस से कमाई कितनी हो रही है, एक्सपेंस कितने हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें ये होती है. तो टैगिंग इज बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. बट पॉलिसीज इट कुड बी बेस्ड ऑन टैगिंग, इट कुड बी बेस्ड ऑन जितने भी एस्पेक्ट आपको दिख रहे हैं ना स्क्रीन पे, पॉलिसी में कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो आप. And the guys who are getting confused, is not talking about the network security group wala policy. Azure policy एक अपने आप में एक टॉपिक है, we'll discuss that later. Azure policy एक टॉपिक है जिसको हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बाद में, but only because the question was asked, hence I answered. Azure policy अभी हमारा cover हुआ नहीं है. Yes guys, anyone with related to ASG and NSG, कोई question? Today we are done with our NSG topic, so I'm not going to come back with this on this topic unless you guys have any questions. I wanted to cover वो forwarded traffic वाला भी aspect आज, but I see we have less number of people, so I left it. Tomorrow we'll start some new topic. Unless this is not clear for you, this is not clear, we'll go ahead and do a practical tomorrow. So whatever you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions. If not now, group में ping कर देना कि कल do you want a revision of this topic or do you want a new topic to be start? ठीक है guys, I'm done with today's session. Unless you guys have any questions, then we are good to close then. I'll stop the sharing, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And as I told you guys, we will be we'll start using Visio. So let's see how it works, because आज नहीं तो कल आप लोगों को definitely वो लगेगा ही. And if you claim that you have been working, तो Visio का थोड़ा सा ये होना चाहिए, थोड़ा confusion create होगा initially जब Visio देखोगे आप. Today I'm going to share a diagram with you guys. इसी को लेके ASG को से related ही एक diagram और कुछ points में भेज रहा हूँ. Go through that. If it is not clear, ping in the WhatsApp group. We'll see if majority of you want a revision, we'll do that. If not, we'll start with a new topic tomorrow. Okay guys, I'll stop the session now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.